How to sign in and sign out online application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can log in and log out offline application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to install the application, and once you have the application, open up Line application in your mobile device. After you open up, there tap on login button. And here you will have various options to log in. If you still have access to your old device, you can simply enter or you can simply log in using your QR code. Tap on QR code and then scan the QR code. But if you don't have the QR or if you have no longer access to your old device, then tap on login with another method. And here, if you have created your account using your phone number, tap on login with phone number, enter your phone number, and then after that you will receive a verification code. Verify the code and you'll be directly logged into your account. Or in case if you have created your account with Apple account or Google account, you have to select one from here. So for now, I will select continue with Google since I have created my account with Google. So if your Google account is linked with your Line account, tap on continue with Google. After that, you have to select your linked account. Wait for a while and here tap on login. And now you are logged into your Line account. Now in order to sign out on Android or iPhone, the Line application does not have a direct option to log out. If you tap on the settings icon at the top right and if you navigate to all of the options right here, you will not be able to find the direct option to log out. So for that, you have to clear application data. Now open up settings in your device. Tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon at the top right and search for Line application. Tap on it. Here tap on storage and cache. Then you have to clear cache. Again, you have to clear storage and tap on OK. Once you do that, now go back, restart the application. And as you can see, you have been logged out of your account. So that's the only way to log out of your Line account on your mobile device from the Line application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.